All right, today I want to replace a few parts on my bell skiver, so I thought I'd show you how to do it. So let's get inside. First thing I want to change out is my feed wheel. Right now I have the yellow rubber feed wheel, but I find this rubber to be a little bit too hard. So I'm going to switch back to a black rubber feed wheel. It's a little bit softer. So we have to take out this whole mechanism in order to do that. So first I've released the spring. Then we should release this and pull back on this screw here. And now the whole mechanism comes out. Set the axle aside. To actually get the feed wheel off, there's just an Allen screw here. Loosen that up. And we can put the new feed wheel on. Okay. Set this aside because the next thing I want to replace is my sharpening stone. Again, I tried out this white sharpening stone and I just really don't like it. To do that, hold it still. You're going to rotate clockwise to loosen. And there you go, it comes right off. If it's really tight, you can use this tool to help you. It gives you something to hold on to get the screw open here. And I'm going to replace it back to one of the blue stones. Okay. Screw that down tight. Let's get it back here. Now you want to get this as tight as possible. So I actually will lift up the machine and grab onto the mechanism down here so it won't spin. That way you can tighten it. You don't want this coming loose. There we go. So new grind wheel is on. To reinstall this mechanism, really easy. Get your axle in place. Make sure it's fully seated. And then just line up all the parts. Okay. Tighten the screw down and put your tension back. I just put my belts back on. Now we can just check, make sure everything's rotating fine. Looks good. We can start moving everything back into position. And once the blade is in position, there's quite the gap here, so we'll have to raise up the wheel. And that looks pretty good. Before I use it, I will shave off a little bit of this rubber just to make sure it matches perfectly. But that looks pretty good for now. Thanks for watching.